Fight stress with healthy eating. Whenever we get too busy or stressed, we all tend to make poor food choices that will actually increase stress and cause other problems. To get the most of your healthy eating and avoid stress, follow these simple tips. Always eat breakfast even though you may think you aren't hungry, you need to eat something. Skipping breakfast makes it harder to maintain the proper blood and sugar levels during the day. So you should always eat something. 1. Carry a snack. Keeping some protein-rich snacks in your car, office, or pocketbook will help you avoid blood sugar level dips, the accompanying mood swings and the fatigue. Trail mix, granola bars, and energy bars all have the nutrients you need. 2. Healthy munchies. If you like to munch when you're stressed out, you can replace chips or other non-healthy foods with carrot sticks, celery sticks, or even sunflower seeds. 3. Bring your lunch. Although a lot of people prefer to eat fast food for lunch, you can save a lot of money and actually eat healthier if you take a few minutes and pack a lunch at home. Even if you only do this a few times a week, you'll see a much better improvement over eating out. 4. Stock your home. As important as it is to get the bad food out of your house, it's even more important to get the good food in. The best way to do this is to plan a menu of healthy meals and snacks at the beginning of the week. List the ingredients you need, then go shop for it. This way, you'll know what you want when you need it and you won't have to stress over what to eat.